Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create draw direction of a plastic pot. Every plastic pot requires some draft. In this video, I will show you how to create the draw direction. This is the class A surface. Once you got the class A surface from studio, you have to join the surface. Okay, distance propagation. Okay, now insert body. Insert a geometrical set, another geometrical set, define here and create it as tooling direction. Once you got this kind of surface, you need to find the flat area. Where is the flat area? Means generally in mountings you can get the flat surface. So class A surface don't have mountings, right? Then this type of flat area you need to find. And before that you need to create one point just by using this measure toolbar. Just click on measure inertia. Just click on measure inertia and select the whole body and create center of geometry. Click on center of gravity. See, create geometry and create center of gravity. Press OK. A point is created here, right? Okay, considering this is the center of gravity point. Okay, and now requires tooling direction. Okay, create this one and give any other direction like X. Just to understand purpose, I drawn a rough line, or you can create one parallel line, any of this plane. With respect to this point. Select as plane and select point here. One plane is created, right? And select another plane also. Select this plane, select this plane, place here. Okay, now on this plane, delete this line first. On this plane, draw a sketch, projection point. Okay, see, it is showing like this, right? Just create one line with an angle, approximate angle. I will give 20 here initially. Now before going to know about the tooling direction, you have to know how to use the draft analysis tool. Change it to material and use draft analysis or material or okay, draft analysis. Select this body and click here and drag it and drop on this line. See, these are the not clear in this tooling directions. You have to flip this, check on both sides. Then what you have to you create like you have to measure it by trial and error method. I will increase this angle to 30 degrees. Again I will use this one, same draft analysis. Click here and place on this line. If you observe any changes, okay, now also not clear. Again you need to go into sketches and make it as 50 degrees. And same thing you have to do. You cannot find the tooling direction in a single step. It takes sometimes it is easy to create in one single step. Sometimes it takes many steps, like you need to use trial and error method, like just drag it and place here. Just check it like this. It is not moving. See here in this draw direction, it is this area is undercut. Right now it is increases the undercut. Now what I will do, I will change it to 40 degrees here, and then again I will check the draft analysis. Drag and drop here. Drag it and drop here. 40 degrees also it is not clear. 30 is somewhat okay. 30 degrees is somewhat okay. I will change it to 30 degrees here. Same way, drag and drop here. Drag this and drop here. Again in this area it is not clear, right? 30 degrees is okay, 20 degrees is okay, but somehow it is clear. But what I will do, I will change this another angle. I will create one more line, normal to curve. Select this curve, default plane is this one. Select the point and create one more, and with an angle I will change this angle to 20. Okay, now I will create the draw direction in this surface, in this line, according to this line. Just drag here and drop this here. This is also not clear, more undercut is showing. Now just I will move it to here. Drag it, drop on here. See, if you see like this now, it has to move somewhat here. See, if you see parallel view, see, select this line and view parallel. This is undercut and this is undercut, right? Then you have to create an angle of this line. In this manner. I'll show you. Select this line, select this plane, select the line, change it to angle to normal to curve, select this curve and keep as point this one, support. So many lines. Just look here. Need to increase this angle. Select the line and view parallel. Maybe this will clear. Drag this on new line. Somewhat it is cleared, right? It is reduced. What I will do, I will change this angle some more. Again, use the draft analysis. See, it is almost cleared, but very small quantity here and in this area. See here also we are facing. I will change its angle some more. Now again I will change this angle. Okay, again I will use the draft analysis. So double click on this, create here, and move this on this line. See, now it is clear. Total draw direction is clear. And check with reverse. This also, press this one. Inverse the draw direction. In this way you need to create every time the draw direction by using trial and error method. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.